Okay, good afternoon, learners. This is Mr. Mtambwa, known as Teacher B, teacher at Mombe PTA School. So it is time for maths. So behind me here, we have a question, Maths Paper 1, 2025, the 12 internal, question number 8C. So this question is coming from the topic Algebra. So simplify 216 minus 6x plus squared over 6 plus x. So now, when you have a question like this, okay, so we look at the numerator which we have here. So looking at the question here, there's something common which we can divide, or which we can factorize, and that number is what? 6. So 6 can go into 6, also 6 can go into 216. So when we factorize here, the common factor, it is what? 6. So now it will be 6 into 216, it goes how many times? That is 36 minus 6 into 6x squared, it will give us what? X squared over 6 plus x. So now, looking at what we have here, so when we check here on the numerator part, you can see that what we are given is a perfect square numbers. So these are 36, which is here. We can look for a number. When you multiply that number by itself 2 times, it will give us 36. And that number is what? 6. So here we have 6. So this number we can write as 6 squared minus 6, x squared over 6 plus x. Okay? So now, looking at what we have here now, we're going to introduce the difference of what? 2 squared. So we write like this. So we introduce the difference of what? 2 squares. So if we check here, we have 6 squared. So which means here, we are going to write the other 6 here, and this one will be plus. Remember, the other one should carry what? A negative, because a square gives us 2 answers. There's a positive and a negative. So even this side here, we have a 6. Okay? Then we come to the other side. Here we have x squared. So the other x, it comes here, and the other x, it goes to the other side, over 6 plus x. So now, if you look at what we have here, you can see that there's something common which we can do what? We can divide. And that is 6 plus x into 6 plus x. So here it will give us 1. Also here it will give us what? 1. So what we have remained with it is what? 6, open brackets, 6 minus x over 1. So now here we are going to divide 1 into the numerator which we have here, which is 6, open bracket, 6 minus what? X, which will give us what? 6 minus 6x. So here you don't expand, you just leave it like this. Thank you.